Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my version of chicken mami, which is a Filipino chicken noodle soup. So keep watching and cook with me.
Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, which will help share my video with new viewers.
Let's start off by making the garnishes. Boil your egg for 8 minutes. Once done boiling, let it sit in an ice bath. Now cook your fresh mami noodles according to package instructions. Once done, drain water and give it a quick cold water rinse. Drain the water and set it aside. Heat up oil and fry garlic until nicely golden brown. Set it aside, reserving the oil in the pot. Add your chicken breast seasoned side down. We are going to sear our chicken until golden brown. Season the other side with salt and pepper. Once seared on all sides, add your shallots, garlic, water, and chicken bouillon. Bring to boil and simmer until chicken is cooked through. While the chicken cooks, let's peel the egg. Tap your spoon on the egg and peel it in the water. You'll get a nice clean peeled egg this way. Now let's slice the egg, and do you see how beautiful that looks? When chicken is done, set it aside and adjust seasoning of your broth. Discard the shallots and garlic. To plate, add your noodles to a bowl. Add your shredded chicken, egg, carrots, Napa cabbage, garlic, green onions, and broth. For spice, add chili oil and finish with a squeeze of lemon. And that's it. Doesn't that look delicious?
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, and like this video, which will help share my video with new viewers.